my. Hey, excuse me. We gotta go. Open this door. Move this to the door. Move it to the door. We gotta go. Move your hand. Let's go. Up that bitch back. Let's go. Are you gonna get on or you're not gonna get on?
Oh my God!
Okay, you need to clear the door. Clear the door. Either step into the train or step off of the platform. Clear the door.
Why the fuck you open it back up? That for? Go with that.
Well, we're ready to leave, all right?
Stupid ass guy.